It's crazy to think that something like a pair of shoes can mean so many things to so many different people. People gravitate towards each other depending on what type of footwear they're wearing. People give each other silent recognition on the streets if they like each other's shoes. Lots of sneakers have a story attached to them. The Nike Air Mag worn by Marty McFly, the Flu Game Jordans worn by Michael Jordan in the 1997 NBA Finals, and countless heels worn on the red carpet. But unlike t-shirts and hats, shoes are needed by people all over the world. In fact, not wearing shoes can lead to major health ailments like podokinosis. This is something Tom's founder Blake Mycoskie attempted to tackle with his generous one-for-one giving business model. As a sneaker artist, these thoughts linger in the back of my mind. On the surface, my team and I are creating a luxury product. But at its core, these are shoes that are needed by people around the world. That's why I was excited to work with Havasol to make a custom pair of shoes for Covenant House. Covenant House is a nonprofit that helps shelter kids experiencing homelessness. Just like shoes, everyone needs a roof over their head. That's why this project was so special for me. I've had the opportunity to paint custom sneakers for people like Drake, Bruno Mars, and Ed Sheeran, but it's always these projects that circle back to giving that keep me going. If you have taken away one thing from this video, it's have gratitude for your shoes, whatever brand they might be. There are lots of people that struggle with getting basic necessities, and having a fresh pair of sneakers can completely transform your physical and mental health. And if you want to donate to Covenant House or Havasol, I'll leave links in the description below.